Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. And do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel if you have not done it so far, and do press the bell button so that you get all the notifications of all the episodes that I upload. So for the session of today, come.
I think you can guess now what's cooking. It's curry leaf powder or Karivepaku karam. So here we go. I have one bunch of curry leaves which I dried them in the shade, keep in the room, and I added 10 to 12 red chilies and chana dal, urad dal, and urad dal is black one, you can see one, and also added 10 to 12 garlic parts, that depends upon your taste, and a spoon of jeera, and then salt depending upon the taste. So you need not roast the curry leaves much because you have to retain the flavors. So after roasting chana dal and a few other grains, the oil along with jeera and the garlic pods and red chili, I just added this curry pack in the last, and I'm just giving it a mix. Okay, and I'll add salt to taste, and then I'll switch off the flame, and once it is cooled down, I'll grind it into a coarse powder which we can have it with idli and rice. Of course, you can eat with other tiffins as well. So that's all.
So friends, trust you have loved the session today. Do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all your enemies too. And till the time we meet again with another session, thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.